Introduction to Sun Salutations.
Whether you are new to yoga or an experienced practitioner, learning the correct way to perform sun salutations brings many benefits.
Getting ready. Preparation and breathing.
Begin standing at the front of your mat, feet together and hands at your heart center. Take a few deep breaths to ground yourself. Proper breathing is key. Inhale as you lift or extend. Exhale as you fold or lower. Move through each posture with a steady, controlled breath for the best results.
Step-by-step Sun Salutation sequence.
Start with your hands pressed together at your chest. Inhale and reach your arms overhead. Exhale and fold forward, touching your toes. Inhale, extend your spine. Step or jump back into a plank and lower down. Inhale to upward facing dog, opening the chest. Exhale into downward facing dog. Step forward and rise up, finishing with hands together.
Key benefits of Sun Salutations.
Sun salutations increase flexibility, strengthen muscles, and boost circulation. Practicing this sequence can also enhance focus and reduce stress. It's an effective full-body workout, whether done slowly for mindfulness or quickly for a more energizing routine. Incorporating sun salutations into your daily routine supports overall fitness and well-being.
Tips for a safe and effective practice.
Always move within your comfort range and avoid forcing any position. Keep your movements smooth and synchronize with your breath. If you are new, start with fewer rounds and increase gradually as your strength and flexibility improve. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity. Listen to your body and enjoy the process.